In this video, we will compare the recently launched Continental MaxContact MC7 against the old guard Michelin Pilot Sport 5 to finally settle the score who is actually the best UHP tyres out there. Let's find out.
First up, wet performance, where stopping distance matters. The MaxContact MC7 takes the lead, stopping 1 meter shorter in wet braking. It also completes the wet handling lap 0.88 seconds faster with a lap time of 80.05 seconds, providing better control and agility in rainy conditions. In aquaplaning resistance, it's a close battle. Both tyres perform equally well in longitudinal aquaplaning. Dry performance is crucial for spirited driving. The MaxContact MC7 stops 1 meter shorter in dry braking and completes dry handling laps 0.91 seconds quicker with a lap time of 53.79 seconds, offering sharper cornering and braking confidence. Comfort is another key factor. The MaxContact MC7 delivers a smooth ride with a subjective score of 7.1, outperforming the Pilot Sport 5's 6.5. However, when it comes to noise, the Pilot Sport 5 has the edge with a slightly lower interior noise level of 69 dB compared to MC7's 69.2 dB, making it a quieter option. In rolling resistance, which impacts fuel efficiency, the Pilot Sport 5 leads with a 3% lower rolling resistance, helping to reduce fuel consumption over time. So, which one should you choose? If you prioritize wet and dry performance with a focus on comfort, the Continental MaxContact MC7 is your best bet. On the other hand, if fuel efficiency and noise are your top concerns, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 is a solid contender.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.